I want to try and show you that you can really get profits only in the Forex market. Okay, I'm not sure if you are going to catch this, but this thing is very easy. Understanding price action is not difficult. I once shared a signal for gold right here. I showed you that it was going to go bullish. I'm not sure if you followed that video, but if you did, you should still be in profit even today. Today, I just want to show you how to analyze. I'm not going to rush. I'm just going to take it step by step. Okay, those who are interested are going to catch the idea. Forget about the chart patterns, forget about everything that you have ever learned. So without any waste of time, whenever you look at a chart, traders, always, like I always say, try to identify a chart that is moving on a clear zigzag. That's your first point. If you can see something like a zigzag on price, that's money for you, because understanding such a chart is very easy. And that's the first thing that we see on gold. Gold is not complicated. If you look at gold, you can clearly see, let me take it to the 1 hour. You can clearly see this move which gold is making. Okay, a very clear move, a very clear move. No matter how new or old you are in Forex, you should be able to see this. Okay, so second step, now I want to show you how to know which direction price is going to take. Okay, you know that the whole struggle in Forex is in identifying if price will go up or it will go down. Okay, and that's really easy. Whenever price moves, okay, let's say you see price moving up and then down and then up, what you always focus on are these turning points. These turning points tell the whole story. Okay, if you see price turning and coming to close below this previous turning point, you know that price is continuing to move downwards. And then you see price pulling up again. Okay, remember your focus now is on this turning point and that turning point. Always, whenever you get to a chart, try to identify the recent two turning points. This is the recent turning point, and that's the previous turning point, because when you focus on this turning point, you look at where this turning point started from, and this one started from here because price moves from left to right. So it came to this turning point and then came to this turning point before making these minor moves. So your focus is on this point and that point. Okay, so that if price closes above that, you know that you are now going bullish. If price closes below this, you know that you are now going bearish. Once you understand this, you know what I do these days? If I see price, for example, moving like this, like this, like that, okay, that's my previous key level, and this is the other key level of focus. Once I see price coming to close above this key level and then pulling back, right anywhere at this point, I can take a buy trade, okay, and not even put a stop loss, because it doesn't matter how far price will come downwards. The fact that it closed above right here and then comes to fail to close below this, it doesn't matter how long price plays around here, it will definitely go up. Showcase. Okay, and that's what I did with gold after sharing that signal. Let me show you. You see that I don't have a stop loss. I am just holding and watching the chart day by day, how it is playing out. Once you know this price action, you have no fear in Forex. What happened right here? Okay, how I knew gold was going to turn around and go bullish from there is that on its way to the bottom, it went up, okay, down, closing below this key level. So I was still hoping that gold will continue dropping. Okay, pulled up, pulled down. When it pulled down, I was hoping that it was going to close below this key level. If it did close below this key level, I was going to continue looking for sell entries. But the moment gold failed to close below that key level and pulled up again, next thing I was waiting for it to close above this key level. Okay, so it pulled down, pulled up again, still failing to close below this key level. Okay, pulled down and then upward and then pulled down, but the moment it closed above that key level there, I knew for sure that whatever gold was going to do right here, it was going to go bullish. So I made that video on the gold signal that traders should look for buy entries on gold. Right now, what is our expectation? See that after gold made that bullish movement, of course, it was wise to take some of the profits around there. Okay, right now, what I can say is that since gold is beginning to give us this clear zigzag, it is a good thing for us because we can tell again if gold is going to go up or down. Right now, we are focusing on this key level and that key level. Okay, so whatever gold is going to do right here, if it will dare close above this key level, I am telling you, it's free money for you. Just buy and thank me later. Okay, but if it's going to reverse there, pull down, watch out at this point. Okay, watch out at this point. So from now, just mark these two areas on gold. If it will dare close above and then pull back, just buy, put your stop loss around that level. Okay, and then wait for gold to give you another bullish spike. So that's my take. Other things I'm going to show you because of course there's more to this. It comes with experience.